Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of opportunities in Canada, especially for international students. Have you heard of the PGWP in Canada? It stands for Post-Graduation Work Permit, a golden key unlocking work opportunities for graduates from Canadian institutions. With a PGWP, you can work for any Canadian employer in any province. This isn't just a job opportunity. It's a chance to gain experience that's crucial for those aiming for permanent residency in Canada. Wondering if you're eligible? The key requirements include graduating from an eligible Canadian institution and applying within 180 days of receiving your final marks. The length of your PGWP depends on your study program. It could range from 8 months to 3 years, giving you plenty of time to build your career in Canada. And here's the best part, your Canadian work experience via PGWP is a valuable asset for immigration programs like Express Entry. So, if you're an international graduate in Canada, the PGWP is your stepping stone to a bright future. Remember to check the latest immigration policies for updates. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on studying and working in Canada. See you in the next video.